Email Genie NLP version writes high-converting promotional emails for you. Watch how easy the software is to use. After you upload and license the software, you put your contact information into the settings. Next, you create your first email. You can choose from 3 of the most popular formats: problem, agitation, solution, problem, solution, or attention, interest, desire, and action. Once you choose the format, all you do is fill in the blanks. Hit submit, and voila, you have a perfectly formatted killer promotional email. Email Genie NLP version works for any niche. It's especially useful for marketers whose strong points aren't writing and persuasion. Get Email Genie NLP version today.